Welcome to training program. Today I explain how to define concrete material on deck. In define material window, select 5000 psi option. Click on modify button. Type CFA material name which is desired. We use CO technique. In this technique, concrete weight is considered 0. Fill out modulus elasticity, Poisson ratio, and coefficient terminal as shown. The next window. Specify concrete compressive strength 21 megapascal. From define menu, only select define deck section. In deck properties window, select deck name and deck modify button. Enter your design name and you no need to change anything. You only change deck unit weight volume to 0. Thanks for watching.